is inspired by a true story. Some of the characters, names, and establishments have been fictionalized for this dramedy. Any similarity to the name, character, or history of any person is entirely coincidental and unintentional. And I thank you.
Announcing the arrival of Cebu Pacific Flight 5J101 from Guam.
Kumakaup ka naman, Candy.
Ayun na si Andy, oh!
Andy!
Dad!
Uncle Rolly! Andy! Welcome back!
Come on, Tracy.
Andy, my kids. Piolo and Lovie. They look like me, ha?
Yeah! Finally, we met, bro! Yeah! Oh,
You look more hunky in person.
Oh, thanks, Lovie. Yeah. Oh, by the way, this is Tracy, my girlfriend.
Tracy! How are you? How are you, Tracy?
Girl, you're pretty.
You know how to pick your girl, Andy?
Oh,
Oo naman! Siyempre! Yeah.
Wait, you still know your Tagalog, ha?
Oh, yeah. Actually, at Guam, most of us Filipinos speak Tagalog. Yeah.
How about you, Tracy? You understand and speak Tagalog?
Oo naman, lovey. Andy teaches me a lot of Filipino.
Mabuti naman. Hindi na masyado magdudugong yung nose bleed ko. Let's go. Let's go.
Wait, selfie muna tayo.
Selfie?
Selfie. Gonna go first.
God's sneaking us to your heart. Talaga to eh.
Wait, teka, Griffy muna tayo din. Griffy! Tayo lahat, Griffy! Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Andy, how's your trip?
Oh, it's fine, Uncle Rolly. Sometimes a little bit bumpy.
How's your mom?
Mom's okay.
So when is she arriving?
She's not coming. And she doesn't know that we're here.
Papa naman! Na-share ka yung picture!
Why?
Mom always thinks coming back here is a bad idea. I'm not rebellious. It's just that I really want to know the truth about my Lolo boy. They say he's a bad guy, a con man, but some of his close friends from Solongapo days otherwise say that Lolo boy is a good man.
Yes, one of them is my grandpa, who also tells a lot of good stories about that place.
So, why is Olongapo so famous and memorable to all the Americans, including Lolo Boy Uncle Rolly?
Olongapo has a long history. Year 1945, when the Americans liberated the Philippines from the Japanese. Mula noon, nanatili ang mga Amerikano sa Subic Naval Base. Dito nagsimula ang progreso ng Olongapo. Apaw ang trabaho sa mga bars, clubs at restaurants. Sa Olongapo, sumikat ang mga bandang Maria Capra, Downbeats, as well ang mga folk singers na sila Sampaguita, Heber Bartolome at Freddy Aguilar.
Oh my God, some of them are here on Spotify. Okay, I'm standing.
Rock and roll to the world!
Ito rin nagsimula, tinatawag na surplus sale ng mga parts ng iba't ibang sasakyan. Kasama na yung ukay-ukay.
We love ukay-ukay!
What's ukay-ukay?
Oh, it's a second-hand thing sold in a market for affordable prices,
Yes.
like thrift shop.
Sabay sa progreso ng Gapo, ang paglago ng mga gangs. Sila ang umahawak at nagpapatakbo ng lahat ng transaksyon at proteksyon ng Olongapo. Ilan sa mga kilalang bosyo ng PNG sa Olongapo ay sina Roberto Berting Mendoza, Candido Cando Constantino, at ang bosyong pinaglihi sa Tokwa at mukhang Tokwa, si Rodrigo Boy Tokwa Morelos, ang idol ng Gapo.
Lodi ng gapo? Pet manok? Buong panes!
Well, anyways, I really admire Lolo Boy Tokwa. Para siyang leader ng Avengers.
Wait, what's tokwa po?
Tokwa means bean card.
Being cured. Boy bean curd. I like it, Miss Millennial.
So, my lolo boy grew up in Olongapo?
No, in Condiman Street, Sampaloc, Manila. Lumaki at nakilala si Rodrigo Boy Tocua Morelos, isa sa pinakabatang miyembro ng Bahala na Gang.
Parang yung ilong mo eh. Talaga lumalakot ah! Kakalaya ko lang kosan!
Ako na! Shot muna!
Dance muna pare. Pipicture muna ako kayo na. Sige na, ito na. Mama!
Ano ba? Bakit mo kukulat? Naunsa man ka mata ka, oy!
Namiss kita kaayo ba?
Ano ba? Naunsa man ka? Nakalaya na ka?
Napag-good boy ako doon. Naging bata-bata ako ng mga jail guard. Kaya, eto na ulit ako.
Yung samot ang pagkapugi sa akong
Siyempre!
anak. Kamusta
Siyempre!
Ay,
Patigilita!
naunsa man! Nagpatato ka?
Ma, BMG! Bahala na gang!
Di ba naging kunin mo nga ay sali-sali dyan sa mga gang-gang na yan kay... Di ba na maayo ba? Kay... Di ko gusto nga... Mabulagta na lang ka, unya patay na ka ang maabot ko.
Ma, tama na, tama na. Gusto ko lang mo makatulong. O, gusto ko lang makaraos tayo. Gusto ko maging mayaman. Gusto ko makapunta tayo sa pangarap kong pumuntang Amerika. Tayong dalawa. At magiging US citizen.
Huwag ko ganaya ng Amerika-Amerikana. Huwag ko'y gana-ana. Gusto ko, Cebu na lang.
O, edi sige.
Huwag na kay pera, papaulian na lang ko sa Cebu.
Oo, kung gusto mo, Cebu. Sige, dadali ko ay Cebu. Ha?
Tinuod, anak.
Yes. Cebu, Cebu.
Cebu. Lili, Cebu, Cebu.
Taong 1960, nang makilala niya ang dalawang bosyo ng Bahala na Gang na nakabase sa Gapo. Good morning, mga Erap!
Hey! Erap, Rolly! Bubuti na lang na bibisita mo kami, ha?
Oh, Rap! Taga na tayong di nagtatakits,
Oh, gulat kayo, no? Akala nyo kayo nagpauso ng Lodi? Pet Malu? Where pa? Dins, galing sa amin lahat yan. Hindi na nga sa inyo umabot yung bago namin, eh.
Ano po yun?
Ano pa? Di lengua di wet po. 1, 2.
What did he say?
He meant handsome.
Good. Mga Repacols, siya nga pala, si Andy. Ang nag-iisa nga po ni Boy Tocua at ang kanyang girlfriend.
Nice to meet you.
Ano daw? Ang sasabi niya na nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Ba, gandang bata nila eh.
Gwapo rin to nga, Andy. Buti na lang hindi ka naging kamukha ni Lolo Buboy.
Pwede niyo ba kwentuhan about my lolo boy?
Aba, oo! Oh, sitting down.
Erap, thank you.
Sitting down.
Thank you.
Oh, you want drinks? Coffee? Tea? Me? Ako si Ricardo Berting Mendoza. At siya naman si Cando Bantot, no? Constantino. Kaming dalawa ang mga bahala na gang na nakatoka na kumuha ng mga agogo at showgirls sa Cafe Aroma sa Avenida Rizal sa Maynila para dalhin dito sa Olongapo.
At nababalitaan ito ni Boy Tocua. Pinupuntahan kami, pinakikiusapan, kinumbinse, isama siya.
Pusya? Ba't nagkaroon ng kulay pusya?
Ang sasasabi ko, sama natin siya. Hindi siya.
Huwag mo nga ako sigawan, hindi naman ako bingi. Dahil magaling ang boka at maabilidad, kaya isinama namin siya rin.
Sa Punky Club, isa sa pinakasikat na club sa Olongapo namin dinadala ang mga showgirls.
Boss Robbie.
Ma Barker! Girls, sige na. Tumuna kayo sa gilid, ha? Relax na kayo dyan.
Sino yan?
Boy Tocua, ma'am, at your service. Si Ma Barker, ang presidente ng
Sir.
lahat ng mga asosasyon, ng mga clubs, restaurants, bars, sa buong Magsaysay Avenue.
Kay Ma Barker,
At kay Robin, dumadaan lahat ng mga transaksyon sa showgirls, sa mga banda, pati yung mga negosasyon ng mga club, restaurant, legal o hindi legal.
Ano yan? Mas snatcher, tumira sa mga showgirls natin, Boss Robin.
Mga snatcher kayo! Hoy! Ha?
Oo, tama na. Ayos ka, bata. Ano pangalan mo?
Boy Tokwa, sir.
Nakikitaan ng mag-ina, potential si Puboy. Kaya sabi ni Robin, maninirahan ka staff house.
Sino nagtitirahan?
Ang sasabi ko, maninirahan.
Linawin mo kasi, labo mo magsalita eh. Kaya yun, hindi na kami nakikita.
Kasi nga, siya runner, collector, si Robin Green.
Kuya Robin!
Oh, boy.
Mama! Our collection. Saktong-sakto yan.
Ayos to, boy, ah. Oo, sino yan?
Alright! Thank you, Kuya Robin! Ma'am, thank you!
Robin!
Oh,
Ito na. Sensya ka na dyan, ha?
ayos to, ah.
Ayan pa, oh. Wala na yan, ha? Andiyan na lahat.
Kompleto to, ah.
Oo naman.
O, sino to?
Thank you.
Ayos.
Thank you. Yeah, Robin,
Masyado
thank you.
magastos, ha?
Hindi.
Baka
Alam mo
mamaya
naman
puro
ako,
babae ka na.
napakaingat ko sa pera.
Nang sumiklab ang giyera sa Vietnam, lalo naging progresibo ang Olongapo. At doon, lalo din naging biyasa sa pag-sting si Boy.
How the sting works.
Hey, guys, excuse me. We met before.
I think so.
I have my best friend here.
Ay, what's that?
It's a young crocodile. It's only here in Olongapo you can find this young crocodile. And you know what? This one is a showgirl best friend.
Hey, how much is that?
I give you $20.
I'll take one.
Thank you very much.
I'll take one.
Okay, you gave me $40.
$40? Now you said 20 and now it's $40?
That's why. She's the first one, 20. And you're the second one, another 20. 20 plus 20, $40.
Third young crocodile is $60.
You're so bright, man. You're so smart.
What?
Give me your $60.
Hey?
You want to take it off?
We'll take it off.
Okay, give me $100. Very good, you guys.
Thank you,
You're
guys.
good. You're good. You're good.
Feel
man.
good about this
You're
deal.
good. You're good.
That's a good deal.
Yes.
Thank you.
Man, yeah.
Thank you, buddy.
You're good.
Take your time, guys.
Uy.
Nice. Touch it.
Oh, Ariel. Ito na yung parte nyo, ha? Oh, dadagdagan ko na yan para may pambili kayong pagkain, ha? Sana naman sa susunod, medyo paliguan naman natin yung tuko natin. Medyo masama na amoy, eh.
Opo.
Okay sa inyo yun? Salamat. O sige, mag-ingat kayo, ha?
Salamat po,
Mag-ingat kayo, ha? Oh, ingat kayo sa pagtawid, madulas ang daan.
Salamat.
Yung mga bata, pakainin nyo, ha? Dahil sa tuko. Hey, guys. I got something here. It's a showgirl smelling good bikini.
Hi, boy.
Hi. Wow.
Hi, Joe.
Hi. Is you that little pretty girl? That the one, the new take it off bikini. They wear it 24 hours. I want them all. Give me $250. Over you, guy. How about my bag is $20? Don't forget to smell it, and then your dreams come true, right? Oh, look at that. See you guys. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Are you take it off? Oh, eto na yung mga parte nyo.
Thank you po.
Oh, wala nang kalik pa eh. Sa susunod naman, parang awa nyo na. Medyo ibabad nyo pa ng konti.
Bakit? Kulang pa ba yun?
Aba, nagtanong ka pa, kulang pa talaga.
Okay, boy. Ngayon pa lang. Magbabad na ako.
Okay, babad na. Go. Huwag nyo tatanggalin, ha? Hi, girls. Come here. Hi. Eto naman yung para sa inyo.
So, ulitin, ha?
All the time, boy.
Wow! Okay, go. Mga abusog. Ginasamantala niyo ang gandang lalaki ko. Hey! Hey, Joe! Remember me? Brandon is my name. Brandon. Right, Joe?
Hey, I don't know you, man. And my name is not Joe. I'm Benjamin.
Yeah, Benjamin. Benjamin Joe. That's why. You're Benjamin Joe, right? And you are my sister boyfriend.
Me?
Yeah, my sister Paula. Remember Sister Paula? Come on, Joe. Here, I'll show you something. This is my sister Paula.
Is this your girlfriend? My girlfriend?
Yeah, that's your girlfriend.
Paula?
Yeah, Paula, you know, so sad. She always remind you. You always think of you. She always waiting for you to come back here.
Oh, man.
So sad. I tell you.
What happened?
What's wrong? She had amnesia.
Amnesia?
Yeah, because of you, man.
Where is Paula?
In our house. You want to join us? Come on, let's go.
Sure.
Let's go. Come on.
Damn.
Come in. Go, my cousin!
Kasi boy!
Ano ba?
Kumusta?
Brando ko ngayon, ha? Anong damo? Brando.
Kasi Brando! How are you?
Benjamin, remember?
Oh yeah, Benjamin! It's my housemate-in-law, right?
Okay.
Dodong, Paula's uncle.
Come in.
Come on in.
Come on, let's go, let's go. Handa na ba yan?
Yes, ito pare. Kasi.
Where is my girlfriend, Paula?
Paula.
She's on the hospital. She's having her checkup.
Checkup and Paula say we'll be right back after a few reminder. Is that good for you?
She shall return. Don't worry.
Okay, have a sit.
Sit down.
Okay. Hey, guys. While waiting Paula, I have a card here. And now we play a high betting card. And don't worry, all I need is your personality, guys. And you don't spend any single centavo in your lifetime.
Hello!
My friend, Ching Chong Achay.
Ching Chong Achay. Game na?
Game na, game na! Let's go!
Let's play!
Come on! Straight. Get my money! Get my money! Come on.
Check.
A bit. All in. Wait, not enough. Not enough.
No problem, no problem. You have money more?
I bet all my money.
Oh, no, still not enough.
What money?
Ay, so.
Okay.
Not enough.
Okay. Take up your watches. Take up your watches. That's it?
Enough.
That's up?
We play.
Okay, I'm sorry. Niao ma. Full house. Delas. Get your money. Get your money.
Yeah. Cuatro pesos.
Kuya Boy! Auntie Paula says they went straight to Manila. She'll be back after 3 days.
After 3 days pa?
Yes, Kuya Boy!
Man, sorry about that. If you want, you can stay with Paula.
No, we'll go back to the base.
Next time, okay?
Okay, man.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sheshe. 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 .
Okay, you take care.
Take care, man. Bye, brother.
Kawawa naman yung mga tao, natalo pa.
Grabe.
Sabi natin, tela. Ikaw, kalay. Ikaw, pili ka candy, ha?
Oo, yung pang candy ba? Saan magdadalhin? Iyo tago? Ikaw bigay akin. Salamat,
Sa'yo.
salamat. Bakit hindi naman lahat to?
ba?
Bagay sa'yo?
Bagay,
Oh, akin tago din, ha? Akin tago, ha? Uy, hindi na pala sila. Halina kayo! Sakto-sakto dating nyo. Pasok kayo!
Wow! In this house, we stand a generous lolo.
Kaya naman pala Lodi siya ng gapo eh.
Wait, how come they can goof so easily, this sailor?
Because they are young, they grew up in the urban side and have no ideas about all these things. Besides, most of them are war sharks. They just want to have fun here in Olongapo.
So my lolo's a con man?
Yes, he is. Pero hindi siya katulad ng ibang conman na walang puso. May moral standard si Boy Tokwa at hindi siya tumatarget ng Pinoy. Such a brilliant conman with a good loving heart, especially to his mom.
Aray ko, bakit ba nananampal ka?
Naunsaman ka! Wala ka magpahibaw na ako nga mo, ani ikaw ako kaluto!
Surpresa nga kita! Kasi nga masyado akong busy, hindi kita nadadalaw. Alam mo naman yung anak mong pogi, busy. Ha?
Kukuha rin mo!
Yes! yung mga pinadadala ko, nakukuha mo.
Siyempre, tanawa ko kay ako.
Wow. Wow.
Di ba gwapa rin mo?
Gwapa ka, ma.
Ikaw sa uwan po, nakapilpun.
Oh, yes!
Nga, unsa ni? Anting-anting.
Alam mo, ma. Lahat yan. Lahat ng binibigay ko sa'yo. Kulang pa yan sa lahat ng sakripisyo at pagmamahal na pinakikita mo sa akin, pinadala mo.
Tinuod ka.
Meron pa akong regalo sa'yo. Ito. Yan, sige. Matapon mo. Buksan mo na nga, buksan mo na. Oh.
Bagay ni na ako.
Bagay na bagay sa yan. Ito pa.
Unsa man na? Ako virgin.
Yan ang gusto ko sa'yo. Lagi ka masaya. O, di ba masaya ka? Alam ko na. Huwag ka nang malungkot. Dahil alam ko naman talaga kung ano yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo at gustong-gusto mo. Huh?
Sigurado ka nga, ibaw ka.
Oo. Huh?
Mayo! Mayo! Mamael! Ay, Noel! Mabel! Na sila, Mael! Oh, boy!
Mayo na inyo tanan.
Kibalo paghapon ka magbisaya, boy.
Gamay lang.
Maayo kayo na mabakasyon mo diri. Ay, dili ra ko mabakasyon diri. Dinhin ako mo star. Ay,
Happy ka na, ma?
Lipay kayo ko. Lipay sad sila. Salamat, anak ko eh. Salamat sa Diyos.
Salamat din at ikaw ang nanay ko.
Salamat kay
Inuwa
anak
kita.
Isang malaking sakripisyo para kay Boy ang malayo sa kanyang ina. Ngunit, tiniis niya dahil sa laki ng pagmamahal niya dito.
Oh, hey!
Something's bothering you?
Nah, just thinking about Lolo, boy.
Okay.
How about you?
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You're so lucky.
They are the nicest and sweetest person.
Yeah.
I bet your grandpa is too.
Dinner is ready.
That's it. Come on, that's it.
Let's go, that's it!
Uncle Rolly, it seems like Piolo and Lovie doesn't know much about my lolo.
Yes, because they grew and studied in Manila. They only stay with us in Olongapo every weekend and vacation. Come on, sit down.
It's Mom, excuse me. Hello, Mom?
Andy, what the hell are you thinking? Pumunta ka ng Pilipinas without my consent?
Mom, I just want to know more about Grandpa. I'm mong payagan, that's why I had to go on my own.
How dare you do this to me? You will come home right this instant or else!
Or else what? Mom, I just want answers and you know exactly what I mean. You know what, Mom? Sometimes I like even talking to Siri more than talking to you.
You're too young to understand things, let alone fix things. What has gotten into you, Andy?
I'm not a child anymore. I'm old enough.
Andy!
Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Oh, come on, let's start.
Yes.
Yan, ha?
Thank you.
Come on.
Sarap?
Guys, I have a joke.
Ano yun, Dad? Yeah.
Okay. Ano ang sabi ng male centipede doon sa female centipede nung nakita sila?
Ano?
Ang sabi ng male centipede sa female centipede, wow! Legs.
Dahil pala, no?
Okay ko naman. What's your entry?
Okay, ito. Ano ang tawag sa maliit na unan?
Uy.
Ano?
Eddie, unan, no?
Oh my God! Beauty check-up niya, ha? Kaka-mobile.
Let's eat.
Let's eat na.
Uy, shrimp.
Favorite mo yan, di ba?
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey.
Wanna take photo of this guy? Instagrammable, right?
Yup, I can see.
The stars, they shine so bright. But if you take a closer look, they are burning deep inside. Just like you, Andy.
Okay, I lied. Something's really bothering me. It's Mom. I don't understand her hostility with Lolo.
Now she's mad because I'm right here putting up the missing pieces of a puzzle they took away from me.
Whatever you feel is valid, Andy. I love you.
I love you too, Tracy. It's Mom again.
Andy, may lakad pa tayo bukas.
Yes, Uncle Rolly.
Now we're going to one of Robin's close associates, farm owner Nonoy Bautista.
Nakilala ko si Boy through Robin. Nakita ko ang abilidad at galing niyang bumukadura at dumiskarte.
I would like to introduce myself. Rodrigo Morelos, a.k.a. Boy Tokwa, Head Security Association and Protection, Subi Club Bar Association. That's it.
Is it true, Robin?
Yes, sir, it's true.
Hey, beautiful lady.
Hi.
Move yourself, please. You know what? I have a proposal
Okay.
with Commander. Commander, a very simple proposal for you. How about a security partnership between us? We protect the Navy's officers and the servicemen during your liberty hours outside the base. Not only that, I give you 101% protection for you Commander Hain.
Wow.
Sounds like a deal.
And for you, Miss MacArthur, right?
Yes, my pleasure.
Me too.
He's cool.
That's it?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, my friend.
got it.
Thank you. And, oh, Suli, can I invite you for a lunch?
Yeah, we can do lunch.
Anne MacArthur, right?
Yeah, well, you know, Anne's my name, but MacArthur is my game.
And you are related to General Douglas MacArthur.
Yeah, I'm his granddaughter.
Yari sa akin to.
What?
No, I say you're so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Hoy, si Boy! Nakachamba! Jackpot!
Hindi chamba to, hindi jackpot to. Ginagawa ko talaga to. Kaya mawalang galang magsilayas kayo sa dadaanan ko. As a saying, Anne, with my exotic look and your pretty face, we make a beautiful American children.
Yeah, but I'm so sorry, boy. I actually have a boyfriend back in the States. Besides, you know, I'm going to be flying home soon anyway.
Give me a chance. You're always in my heart.
Likewise, boy. And, you know, I hope you don't feel bad or anything.
Yeah. I'm good. I'm good. Oh, tingin nyo! I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good. Yeah, that's good. Gusto ko na mamatay! Gusto ko na mamatay! Bakit hindi na-inlove sa akin siyan? Bakit? Bakit ba ako?
Ano sa tingin mo, boy? Ha?
Ewan tignan.
Bakit kasi Rolex lang hiniram mo? Sana, pati mukha ni Robin hiniram mo para huli mo agad si Anne. Bakit hindi ka nalang umanap ng ibang babae? Marami naman dyan.
Wala iba. Si Anne lang ang mahal ko. Kung ayaw niyo maniwala, patayin niyo na lang ako. Patayin niyo na lang ako. Patayin niyo na lang ako!
Ayan, sige. Baka matay ka na.
Tulog tayo.
Hindi yan parang mamatay. O yeah, tumagin na nga lang tayo. Pusin na natin to. Sayang eh.
Now I know where my mom got her hysterical nature.
That's good.
Hoy! Hoy! Oh, kumusta na kayo ni MacArthur?
Nadali mo na.
Ako pa ba? Alam niyo naman, dead na dead sa akin yun. Pero sa isang banda, parang gusto ko na iwan.
Ba't naman?
Nararamdaman ko na nahuhulog na yung loob sa akin. Baka pag iniwan ko, baka matay.
Go na, Kuya Boy!
Iba yung gandang lalaki ko.
Iba.
Alis mo na ako, mauna ako sa inyo, ha? Ingat.
Galing mo talaga, Kuya Boy!
Idol, puro ka!
Galing mo talaga!
I have proclaimed martial law in accordance with the powers vested in the President by the Constitution of the Philippines.
Dapat ayusin niyo lahat ng koleksyon. Ayos tayo! Takbo! Tigil!
Almost accounted for na lahat ng mga hulog ng Olongapo. Except for one, si Boy Tokwa. According sa intelligence report, mahal na mga tao ng Gapo si Boy Tokwa. Kaya maraming nagsisecure dito. I am ordering a manhunt operation against Rodrigo Morelos, alias Boy Tokwa.
Sir! I'm Boy Tokwa. I'm here to surrender, sir.
Ikulong na sa selda.
Kulong niyo na ako. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Ingat kayo.
Boy Tokwa! Nahuli ka rin! Huli ka rin!
Higanting merong bulate. For your information, hindi ako nahuli. I surrender, sumuko ako para makulong.
Ha? Galing mo talaga, Boy Tokwa!
Idol talaga yan!
Baste.
Boy!
Baste, the golden hands.
Boy Tokwa!
Baste! Ano ba, kamusta?
Bakit ka sumurrender?
Para wala na madamay.
Sinakripisyo ang sarili para mailigtas ang mga padrinos.
Alam mo, Baste, paminsan-minsan kailangan natin magsakripisyo para sa kabubuti ng nakararami. Di ba?
Idol ka talaga!
Ikaw ang idol, pero sandali. Kailan ka pa rito?
Umalis ka kayo dyan! Dito ka, boy. Bago pa lang mag-martial law, nakakulong ako dito dahil sa pamimeke ng mga checking pero ng mga kano. Pero boy, may pinagkakaabalan ako ngayon. Ito, inaayos ko lang yung pag-retoke ng mga serial number niyan.
Galing mo talaga mameke, no?
Boy, tunay yan! Para pareho lang ang last digit.
Bago nga, no? Bakit pare-pareho last digit?
Para mabilis natin makumbinsa yung mga sokret. Katulad mo, inakala mo peke mga ito. Pero pag pina-ingkas ko sa iyo yan, sigurado magugulat ka dahil okay mga yan. Kaya pag inalok kitang double your money, siguradong papayag ka. Tama?
Tama. Mahusay ka. Sandali lang. Paano mo nagagawa to nandito ka sa Oblo?
Boy! Akala mo ikaw lang ang marunong dumiskarte. Siyempre may mga kapit ako dito sa loob. Alam mo, malapit ko na maperpekto. Medyo natatagalan lang dahil medyo pasmado na tong kamay ko, boy.
Nakakapasma talaga yan. Sa lahat ng sinabi mo, yan ang hindi ayos. Kung papayag ka, ganito gawin natin. Practice mo. Verpikin mo. Pag naging okay na yung kamay mo, tirahin natin ta.
Sa Bilibid, muling lumutang ang abilidad at leadership ni Boy Tokwa.
Thank you, sir. Impyerno na nga ang buhay natin dito, tapos ganyan pa kayo!
Alam nyo, impyerno na ang buhay natin dito, tapos ganyan pa kayo!
Ganito lang gawin natin.
Ganito nga gawin natin!
Ayaw nyo magpaawat? Sabay-sabay na tayo makapagkita kay kamatayan! Sige, magkamay kayo!
Magkamay kayo!
Nagawa niyang pag-isahin ang mga bilanggo, anumanggang ang mga ito. Nakarating ito kay Lieutenant Fiones.
Boy Tokwa!
Sir, problema po.
Nabalitaan ko yung ginawa mo kanina.
Umawat lang mo ako dun.
Simula ngayon, ikaw na ang mayores ng sektor.
Mabuhay si Mayor Boy Tokwa!
Naging maayos at masaya ang buhay ni Boy sa Bilibid bilang mayor. Hanggang
Boy! May telegrama ka galing kay Robin.
Boy, ang imong mama namatay na. Ilubong karong Martes, unta makaabot ka.
Kosa. Kosa.
Labis ang dalamhati ni Boy nang mamatay ang mahal niyang ina.
Makikiusap ko sana sa inyo. Baka pwedeng payagan niyo kung makita ko yung ina ko. Sir, kahit sa burol lang po, sir. Kahit man lang po doon sa libing niya, kahit sandali lang po. Payagan niyo po ako.
Gusto man kita payagan, boy. Hindi talaga pwede.
Huli na po ito. Hindi na po ako gagawa ng kahit na. Gusto ko na po makita ang nanay ko.
Kosa, alam ko nararamdaman mo. Tanggapin mo na lang pagkawala ng iyong ina.
Madaling sabihin yan. Hindi naman ikaw yung namatayan.
Kosa, katulad ng pagkawala ng iyong ina, namatay ang anak ko habang nandito ako sa loob ng kulungan. Pero wala akong nagawa. Ang pinupunto ko lang, kesa naman magmukmuk ka dyan sa pagkamatay ng iyong ina na wala ka rin namang magagawa, gugulin mo na lang yung ibang oras mo para sa ibang bagay.
Tulad ng ano?
Tulungan mo ako dito. Burahin mo muna to. Ikaw. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan. Tingnan ko. Boy! Perfect!
Sigurado ka?
Nagawa natin! Nagawa natin, boy!
Baste! Mag-golden hat! Iba ka talaga.
Boy, nagawa natin kahit mas madam!
Galing mo! Eto, dito na tayo magkakapera. Jackpot tayo dito, Baste. Jackpot tayo dito. Baste! Baste! Hoy! Baste kayo! Hoy! Baste! Hindi Baste inatake! Dali natin sa final! Baste! Ayaw mo yan, Brad! Paano ba yun? Baste! Kuya, pakain. Kuya Robin!
Boy!
Kuya Robin!
Ayos, upo.
Thank you.
Kain ka. Uy, buti naman nakalaya ka na.
Ay, nako, para ako nasa eskwelahan. Good moral, right conduct, tulong ni Lieutenant Piones, laya ako.
Ayos.
Ay, may bago akong diskarte ngayon.
Wala, ano na naman yan?
Marami ako natutunan sa'yo, pero eto, iba to.
Oh, ako na lang to?
No, yung last digit, lahat yan, tignan mo. Yan,
Aba.
bago kong diskarte ngayon.
Aba, pare-pareho. Ano nangyari yun?
I call it double your money, di ba?
Eh, saan mo naman natutunan yan, ha?
Ikaw, Sambaste.
Hindi ka naman ba bebetsa dyan?
Danes tayo bebetsa dito. Walang kabetsa dito.
Sigurado ka, ha?
Sigurado.
Good day, Commander!
Who's this guy?
My name is Wally Villame, a good friend of Commander Hay.
Yeah?
You know that man, right?
Yeah,
Actually, Commander Hay recommend you to double your money business proposal.
How?
Something like this. How much your money?
500 here.
I need only $100. There you are, $100. I make double your money. 1, 2, 3, 4, $500.
Same serial numbers? Shit, man, these are all fake.
No, it's real. Why don't you try to exchange the money?
Go change them.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's good.
Goddamn, that's amazing. How'd you do that?
That's my secret, all right?
Yeah, all
So
right.
now, you want to double your money?
You bet. And only my money, Chip's money too.
Partner.
30 bundles. Boy, hindi ko ba natatakot niya? Abay, ang dami mo nang nasting ah. Baka mamaya hinahunting ka na nung mga kanood yan.
Dane, hindi mangyayari yun. Those Americans are good losers. Kaya hindi tayo hahabulin. Maniwala ka sa akin, Kuya Robin.
Sigurado ka ha, baka mamaya bumetsa ka dyan.
Hindi tayo bebetsa. Ha? Rolly!
Kuya Boy!
Rolly! Alam mo na kung saan dadalhin yan, ha?
Opo. Sa lahat ng kakosa, American, retired na mga showgirls, band associations, at saka sa akin, ayos! May pag-chicks na ako!
Thank you ha.
Thank you rin, thank you rin, thank you rin.
Come in.
Reporting, sir.
Woods. I have an assignment for you.
Classified documents?
Of course.
Looking good, sir. Thank you so much.
Good luck.
Secret is safe with me.
Sapul ka!
Hey, little boy.
Yes, ma'am.
Come here. Hi, how are you there?
I'm fine.
Is Boy Tokwa here by any chance?
Yes, yes.
Can you show me the way?
Yeah, sure. Kuya Boy!
Oo.
Kuya Boy, may nagkahanap sa'yo. Nakachamba ka.
Pakachamba tong bata na. Sino yun?
Ang ganda, Amerikana.
Alam mo, ikaw bata ka, kahit kailan... Asan? Asan yung Amerikano? Maganda na yan. Asan na? Excuse me?
It's a miracle. May I help you?
I'm Patricia Pat Woods from International Law Subic Naval Base. I'm looking for Mr. Rodrigo Morelos, aka Boy Tokwa. Do you know where can I find him?
Boy Tokwa. Boy Tokwa. It's me, the one you're looking for. Come in.
Thank you.
Well, help you?
Yes, there was the money stolen from our ship. Apparently, your name popped up as the one who did it. Do you know nothing about it?
Money. Vase. Ship. What's your name again?
Pat.
Pat
Wood.
Wood. Miss Wood, are you questioning me or accusing?
It's really up to you, but we are here to figure it out what's the truth and what's not.
First of all, everybody know, if you are a Filipino, it's really difficult to enter the vase. Much more enter in the ship. And I'm closely worked with Commander Terrence Smith.
I see.
He's a good friend of mine.
Okay, I will have to go now, but thank you.
Wait. But always remember M, remember E, then together, remember me. Boy Tokwa.
Thank you.
You're everyday welcome. Galing ko, di ba?
Ikaw na, Kuya Boy.
Take care of yourself.
Take care. Yes!
Yun ang naging simula. Ang sumunod ay ang tuloy-tuloy na pagporma at panliligaw ni Boy sa Lola Patricia mo.
has one. Down. I have a surprise for you.
Yes?
Yeah, I have surprise
What is that?
for you. Close your eyes first.
Oh, come on now.
No, don't come on. Just close your eyes.
Okay. Can I open now?
Not later. 3 hours. Open your eyes. Will you marry me?
No.
Why? Why no?
Unless
Unless what?
Unless you promise me you will never ever go back to your old life again. Never.
Ganito kaganda ba naman, babalik pa ako sa kalokohan? Never. Never go back. Walang balikan. Mean to say, I marry you.
Yes, yes, Rodrigo Morales, yes.
Yari na to. Ano naman gagawin mo sa akin? Ay, talagang kesong puti ka.
Wonder.
Kinain ko po.
Baby's coming! Bye!
What's coming? What's coming?
Baby's coming! Bye!
Okay, the baby's coming. Come on, baby coming. Come on, baby coming.
Take me to the hospital now!
So Lolo lived a straight life. That's something.
Yes, Andy. But after a while,
Boy? Usa ka pare.
Ang aga-aga napasugod ka. Ano nangyari? Rosa, huminahon ka. Di kita maintindihan. Relax. Kwento mo sa akin kung bakit ka napunta rito.
Ano po sa aksidente? Napunta ka naman sa utang. Kailangan operahan, kailangan malaking pera. Sa buhay!
Tumahimik ka, tutulog yung mag-ina ko.
Did he go?
Oh, there we go. Hey, Commander Jordan.
Huh?
Remember me? James Santos, a.k.a. James Singh. And I'm a friend of Commander Hay. You play poker, right?
Sure. Just wait. I have an appointment.
Appointment?
Nature calls.
Call of nature. Naeebak si Commander. Commander Jordan! Commander Jordan! Wait! No. We're doing your appointment, playing card, and waiting for evacuation, okay?
You're so persistent. Fine.
No, okay. Play card, right?
Yeah.
Hatchet! Subaho! How about this?
200.
200. Too hot, Commander. 400.
Hey, man, can I take your picture?
Oh.
All in.
All in.
Super.
How about this straight? How about that?
Shit.
Sorry to disturb your appointment. Go ahead. Because it's your baho.
Tara.
Dong.
Pare, salamat. Pare, salamat. Pare, kala ko pababayaan mo.
Importante. Gumaling na yung bata.
Thank you, pa. Thank you.
One for my baby and one for my honey.
Papa! How do I look?
Turn around. Wow!
Okay na ba ito sa acquaintance party namin?
Pwedeng-pwede, okay na okay, at ang ganda-ganda mo, anak. Pwede na ba akong maging escort mo dyan?
Papa, kung pwede lang sana.
Ay, pwede naman talaga si your mom.
Mama! Do you like my dress?
You look so pretty.
Thank you, Mom.
Hi, honey.
We need to talk. Can you go to the room first, please?
Okay.
Hey. So, how is it?
I want to know the truth.
What do you mean?
One of our officers got hassled. Do you have to do anything about it?
Me? Of course not. Ayan ka na naman eh. Di ba I promise you na? And no. You hurting me, honey. You hurt my feeling.
Honey, you know that's not what I meant, okay? Honey.
No.
Sweetheart, I didn't mean it. Okay, I trust you.
Totoo?
Totoo. I'm sorry.
Don't do that again.
I will never do that again.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah. You're baho. Take a shower.
Later.
According to the report submitted by Commander Jordan, the guy who hustled him, his description matches that of your husband, Rodrigo Morelos.
It also matches similarities in an unresolved case from years back, which happened to be under your care, right?
That is correct, Officer Jones.
Isn't this your husband playing cards with Commander Jordan right there?
Well, is that your husband playing cards with Commander Jordan? We can't go after Boy, because Commander Jordan won't press charges. I do, however, have to immediately reassign you to the States Woods.
Okay, time to bed, my princess.
Okay, Papa. See you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night, Papa. Mwah.
Okay, good night.
Good night.
Pare boy! Kosa!
Oh, pare.
Inaanak mo.
Ano na naman nangyari?
Pagaling na! Pare, maraming salamat.
Kala ko kung ano nangyari. Okay, okay. Salamat sa Diyos. Pero, meron sana akong hilingin sa'yo.
Oh.
Na sana, walang makakaalam na kahit na sino itong ginawa natin.
Oo naman pa.
Huwag mong ipagsasabi na may ginawa ulit tayo, okay?
Oo naman pa.
Okay, pare.
Oo, para.
How dare you lie to me!
Let me explain. Gusto ko ipaliwanag.
You swore to me! You said it will never happen again! Why did it happen?
Promise, I don't do anything. I love you.
I don't trust you anymore!
Pat! Sandali! Pat! Pat! Pat!
Papa, what happened? Why are you crying?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You always remember. love you so much. Bakit ba?
Pat,
I'm tired of this, boy. I feel like I'm wasting my life in this relationship.
so you don't want us anymore? What happened now to the house of us? Pat, you know, Pat, you're so hard. Masyado kang matigas. Ang tigas mo. Hindi ka ba pwedeng pagpaliwanagan? Sige, sabihin mo kung hindi pwede. Bakit? Ha? Iiwan mo ako? Ha? Sasagot ka pa? Huwag ka na sasagot. Sige. Kagaya ka ng tatay ko Inchik. Pagkatapos, iiwanan kami ng nanay ko. Sige, oh. Alam mo, hindi ko na, sige, oh. Boy Tokwa. Hindi ka pwedeng maging masaya. Wala ka. Wala ka. You're nothing. You're nothing but the second place.
Annabelle, let's go! Let's go! Annabelle, I told you, let's go! Cannot stay here anymore. Time to leave.
Pat? 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 Pat?
I'm leaving you, boy, and I'm taking Annabelle with me. You will never see us again.
Bubay kaling sa langit. Kung wala sa buwan, araw ba'y bigay sa akin? Naku kaya
Diyos ko po. Ano kasalanan ko? Alam mo naman, di ba? Tumulong lang naman ako, di ba? Bakit kailangan itong maging kapalit mo? Wala ang pamilya ko. Ayoko na mabuhay. Wala sila. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Tulungan niyo po ako kung anong dapat kong gawin.
So sad naman.
Though we did it for a friend. So, what happens next?
Kinonsulta nila Robin sa abogado ang problema ni Boy.
Ay, solusyon sa problema mo, Boy. Kailangan lang makumbinsi mo si Pat na ipetisyon ka para maging legitimate ang pagiging US citizen mo at magkaroon ka ng kustodiya sa bata.
Ayos. Thank you, attorney.
Taon din ang binilang bago nila tuluyang na-trace at na-contact si Pat.
Hello, who's this, please?
Hello, Pat. This is Boy.
Boy? What do you want?
But wait, Pat. Please, I beg you, petition me so I can get my green card. I do what you want.
Okay, I'm gonna let you come here. You will fix your green card. After that, you're signing the divorce papers. And we're done. Understood?
Okay.
Ano sabi?
Pumayag na siya! Pumayag na! Thank you!
Ayos,
Makikita ko na yung anak ko. Miss na miss ko na yung anak ko. Marami.
Annabelle? Annabelle, can you please get the door? Thank you, honey.
Miss you, Papa!
How are you? Baby, naku na, make you my friend. Sa bigat na, ha?
I have lots of things to tell you, Papa.
Ako rin, I have a pasalubong for you. You know your favorite?
Annabelle, go to your room.
But Mama, I miss Papa, dear.
I said go, now!
No!
But, honey,
Don't honey me, boy. You agree to my conditions.
but I still love you.
What do I get in exchange? How many more years of my life will I waste?
I'm sorry.
What makes that story different from all the stories before? I'll let anybody rule my life again. I'm not evil, though. You can stay in a garage or a basement, up to you. But stay away from me and keep distance. Come on, Annabelle. Let's go. Annabelle, let's go.
I'll take you around Guam, Papa. I'm sure mag-enjoy ka.
I'm sure, anak. Ngayon pala, nag-i-enjoy na ako eh. Kasi kasama kita.
Next time, Papa, I'm sure kasama na natin si Mama.
Sana nga. Huwag na tayo dito. Baka maputokan pa tayo dito.
This is Two Lovers Point. Dito nag-suicide ang Chamorro lovers.
Basta tayo hindi mag-suicide, ha?
Papa, halika dito. Diyan sa cliff tumalo ng lovers for the sake of love.
Ang love talaga may forever. Sana kami din ng mami mo.
You will, Dad. You will.
What's your favorite food?
So hungry.
Your chicken and your Kuya Cesar salad.
Yay! Thank you, Papa.
Yeah.
Let's wait for Mommy.
Okay.
Mama? Mama, let's eat. Mama?
Kalaunan, madalas na silang iwanan ni Pat Dahil malayo ang work assignment nito.
Go. Go, that's it.
Good day, sir.
Come in. Yes?
Are you Rodrigo Morelos?
Yeah, I am.
I have a package for you. Did you sign this?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Yes! Yes! Annabelle! Annabelle, anak, dali! Manganganak na ako. Hindi. Ito. Green card. I got my green card.
I'm sure matutuwa din si Mama, di ba?
Ay, sana matuwa siya. Ay, nako. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam. I'm so
Anyway, I have to go, Papa. I'll see you later.
Okay. Take care. Love you. Take care. We celebrate tonight, okay?
Yes, promise.
Promise. I love you. Take care. Hi. I have a good news for you. I get my green card.
I know, and that's great.
Thank you.
By the way, I have our divorce papers here. According to our agreement, all you gotta do is to sign it. Here you go. Right there. Thank you very much. That's all I need. And yeah, by the way, I sold the house, so I'll be moving to LA. That means you gotta move out too. And you can take Annabelle if you want, for all I care.
Papa, are you home?
Hi.
Papa? Papa, why are you crying? Why?
Mama and I, we divorced.
What? What? How can Mama do this to us? I can't believe this. No. We cannot do this to us. I don't know why did Mama do this to us?
Hello.
Hello? Pwedeng makausap si Rodrigo Morelos.
Who's this?
Ang Kuya Robin niya to. Robin Paulate.
Kuya Robin.
Si Boy na ba to? Oh, Boy. Andito ako ngayon sa Guam eh. Magkita tayo sa Candy Towers.
Sige.
Bilisan mo lang. Tight ang schedule ko eh.
Sige, darating ako. Tama yung dating mo, Kuya Robin. Hintayin mo ko, Kuya Robin, ha? Huwag kang aalis. Hintayin mo ako.
O sige, dumata ka pa. Hindi mo na ako aabutan.
Sige, salamat. Salamat naman. Nadalaw mo ako dito sa Guam.
Kumusta?
Okay naman. Okay naman na parang hindi masyadong okay.
Ha? Bakit?
Ano man siguro yung nangyari sa buhay ko. Tapos yung anak ko si Annabelle, ayun, nahanap-hanap yung nanay niya. Iyak ng iyak. Naawa na ako sa kanya eh. Wala naman akong magawa. Baka lumayo sa akin yung loob ng bata.
Eh, kay Pat, may balita ka ba?
Wala na. Taka lang ako, parang ang bilis-bilis niyang makalimutan agad yung mga nangyari sa amin. Alam mo, minsan, naisip ko, ginagamit niya lang yung katawan ko.
Wala mo ba hanggang ngayon?
Nagtatawanan mo pa ako eh.
Bakit kasi hindi ka na lang umuwi ng Pilipinas? At least, nandun ako, nandun yung mga kaibigan mo na pwedeng dumamay sa'yo kapag ka nadidepress ka. At least, makakapagbagong buhay kayo ni Annabel ng malayo sa anino ni Pat. Oh.
Bahala na.
Ay, sandali. Ay, umorder ka lang dyan, ha? Sasagutin ko lang to. Ha?
Okay, thank you,
Sige, order ka lang. Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Why not?
Good morning, sir.
Annabel. Busy ka?
Okay lang po.
May hingin sana akong pabor sa'yo, anak.
Ano yun, Dad?
May plano kasi ako eh. And this time, kakailanganin ko yung tulong mo.
Okay.
Igawa mo ako ng website. I-showcase mo ako as a big-time businessman.
Oh, yo, man.
Hey, yo! What?
You look
great! Nice look. Yeah.
You look awesome, man.
How about the cool man?
You're dead to have, man.
Yeah. Okay. Listen. I don't understand the word coming out of your mouth, man. Okay. I don't have money, man. But I give you money. Yeah, for you, man. Yeah, the drill.
With Jim Reed?
You shut up.
Damn, see that?
Sir, welcome.
Hi, I have a reservation.
Under what name, sir?
Leo Arce.
Okay. Here's your room key.
Thank you for the key. You have it?
Wow, thank you.
And for you?
Wow, thank you.
And for a lovely lady.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Bye, guys.
He's so generous, right? Yeah, so much.
Yeah, I know. Hey, lady, wait. I forgot something. For you guys. Pabook ka ng ticket natin pauwi ng Pilipinas. Para anytime na lumusot tong hirit ko na to, time to go na tayo.
Hey, boss. You should come see this guy in the lobby.
Okay.
Boss.
Find out who this guy is.
Your man told me you want to know my name, know about me.
Let's just say I'm interested in people who are as big time as I am.
Lee Arce, a rich businessman in our country. You can check me in your Google right now. Mr.
Mark Corleone, I am.
Hotel owner, a president of all hotel here in Guam.
Come, let's have some drinks. So how did you get so rich?
I have a lot of business back in my country. You know what I mean?
Who are you fooling? No one spends money the way you did by having legitimate businesses. I can smell you a mile away, Mr. RC.
Mr. Mark, it takes one to know one.
So tell me, what's your secret?
You're a gambling man, right?
Take a look around you. I've been a gambling man my whole life.
I do double your money.
What do you mean, double your money?
I do double or make it triple your money.
Oh, come on. You can leave.
Wait, Mr. Mark. If you want, you can check the money I pay in your hotel and also the money I give to the people here in your hotel. All the money has the same serial number.
All bills have passed the checking machine, and they're all good.
Ah, so you're a forger?
Not really. I'm just like a copying machine, Mr. Mark.
I think we can do business together.
Why could I do that?
Because we are friends. Girls. See, Mr. Rossi, I treat my friends very, very well.
Yeah, I know. And now, since we're friends, I'm gonna give you a one-shot deal.
Cheers. There you go.
Okay. I need 1 week to do everything.
Okay. Just make sure, or else.
What? You don't trust me? Remember, Mr. Mark, you are the one to approach me. Cancel the deal.
No. My apologies.
Okay. In a week.
Okay.
Apa aday?
Apa aday? Follow in.
Luma. Annabelle. Ang tiket? Halika na, let's go!
Yes. Let's go, Daddy.
Dali, anak.
All right.
Boss, Leo Arcee's nowhere to be found.
Find him and bring him to me.
All I found was this letter.
By the time you read this letter, I've been long gone. It was a pleasure doing business with you, Mr. Corleone. Boy Tokwa.
Made a fool out of me.
Bumalik sa Olongapo si Boy at Annabel. Wala na ang mga Amerikano sa base dahil sa lahar. Minabuti ni Boy na ipasok sa money market ang perang naisting under Annabel's name.
Sisigurado ka pang dadating, Boy?
Oo nga.
Hey!
Pasensya na kayo, ha? Ito lang nakayanan ko, ha?
Wala naman.
Kuya Robin, para sa'yo. Wow! Eko lang, kaya. Ito, Akel. Pinakamabait kong kaibigan. Ito sa'yo. Okay na? Ha? Oh.
Kumpare mo!
Ay, pare, hindi mo mawalan. Ang tao nagpahamak sa akin. Eto.
Thank you.
Bilang papasalamat ko sa inyo.
Kailangan ko ba yan?
Thank you.
Swerte!
Pare naman. Bakit sila meron pare naman?
Ganun talaga. Ang importante, para sa muling pagkikita, sa panibagong buhay. Musog ka nga dyan, musog ka dyan. Musog ka. Sige, kain tayo. Ay, nako. Huwag mo yan. Pambira naman to. Si Bossing lang gumagawa nun.
Dad?
Uy.
Dad, si Lance?
Sir. Boyfriend mo?
Boyfriend ko po.
Di ba?
Lance Enriquez po.
Alagaan mo at ingatan mo yung anak ko. Dahil kung hindi, alam mo na.
Makalipas ng ilang taon, nagpakasal si Annabel at si Lance. biniyayaan sila ng isang anak. Ikaw yun, Andy. Lalong sumigla si Boy nang dumating ka sa buhay niya. Hanggang sa isang araw,
Babe, maniwala ka. Magandang investment ang M-Coin. Kasi yung Bitcoin, reach up to 1,000% of value.
Eh, paano ka naman nakakasiguro na legit yan, no? Baka mamaya lukuhin lang tayo.
Babe, hindi. Siguradong sigurado ako. Siyempre, pinag-aralan ko muna to bago ko papasukin. Saka, babe, once na mapasok natin yung pera, walang ibang makakagalaw doon kasi secure tayo sa wallet natin. Saka, babe, makinig ka sa akin. We are guaranteed to earn 20% per month. Babe, 20%! Kaya, once na maipasok na natin yung pera, wala tayong kahati. Sa atin yung kikitain. At least doon na natin papaikutin kasi lumaki ng lumaki. Babe, huwag ka na masyadong mag-isip. Pagkatiwalaan mo na lang ako, ha? Marami akong kaibigan yumaman ng dahil dito. Saka hindi lang naman para sa akin to eh. Para to sa inyo, para to sa future ni Andy.
Oo, pero ipapaalam ko muna kay Papa, syempre.
Matagal na ba yung galing US? Eh, madalian na kasi to eh. Dahil earlier possible, mas advantage sa atin while the trend is still going up. Saka babe, di ba, sa'yo naman nakapangalan yung pera sa bangko? Babe, may karapatan ka doon. Saka mas maganda rin, di ba, kung i-surprise natin si Papa na napalago natin yung pera. Matutuwa yun, sigurado ako, babe. Maging proud sa'yo yun.
Sunod ang gagawin natin. Hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin
Di ko rin alam!
Eh, paano yan? Baka umuwi na yun eh.
Di ko alam!
Kasalanan mo kasi to.
Where's my favorite apo?
Isa lang naman ho yung apo ninyo, di ba?
Talaga ba?
Nasa school ho.
Di bale, kayo ng dalawa unahin ko. Hindi naman ako masyadong namili. Kasi, sabi ko nga, pagdating ko naman sa... Alam kong may problema ka. Sige, ganito. Pag-usapan natin, ano ang nangyari?
Yung pera ho, ininvest namin sa M-Coin, yung cryptocurrency trading. So, nung una po, kumikita ho kami ng 20% per month. Tapos lumaki ho yung pera. Niroll ho namin yun para lalong lumaki. Sa kalaunan ho, di na po namin nakukuha yung 20%, tsaka di na po namin ma-withdraw yung in-invest namin.
Pa. Manascam po kami.
Magkano in-invest?
Lahat po yung nasa bangko.
Lahat? Lahat ng pera sa bangko?
I'm sorry po, Pa. Patawad po.
Dito, sorry ka eh! Ikaw may kagawa nito, sul-sul ka sa anak ko, pakialamero ka! Pakialamero ka eh! Alam mo, hindi gagawin ng anak ko yan kung hindi ka nakikialam sa perang hindi naman sa'yo! Sorry po!
Pa!
Annabel.
Pa, bakit?
Annabel.
Tumawa na ako! Bakit? Bakit na lang? Pa!
Annabel.
Pa! Pa! Tulong! Pa!
Nagpasya si Annabel na dali ng may sakit na ama sa Guam. Dahil yun din ang kagustuhan ni Boy.
Annabelle. My favorite apo. Pag ako namatay, dalhin niyo yung abo ko kay Robin. Please. Mahal ko kayo.
I love you, Pa.
Love you, Lolo. 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 Lolo boy. Lolo.
Wala sa buwan, araw ba'y bigay sa akin, di na ko kaya nang bituin. Mga puno at ilog man, tumulong na silang lahat. Kung nariyan lang bangkay namin sa aking tabi, nasaan kaya aking pag-ibig? Sana siya'y dumating. Di kaya ito ay dala ng panaginip? Kailangan bang mangarap muli? Nasaan kaya ang
Yes. I was there when Lolo died.
Yes, it's sad. But it's also happy. Because hindi lahat ng inaakala nating masamang tao talagang masama. Sometimes, the end justifies the means.
Uncle Rolly, how come you know so much of the story of Baitokwa?
Because I was that little boy. I remember everything as if it just happened yesterday. Now you know everything, Andy.
Yes, Uncle Rolly. Thank you so much.
Group hug na lang tayo. Group hug. Group hug.
Yes, hello? I would like to inquire when is your next earliest flight to the Philippines? Yes, ASAP.
Mom?
Andy?
Mom, I'm sorry. You're angry with me.
It's okay, it's okay. Did you find what you're looking for?
Yes, Mom, I know the truth. Much more than I needed.
I still feel so guilty. wish I could turn back the time and just be the good daughter that I needed to be. But, son, I know it's too late.
It's never too late, Mom. Free yourself. I'm sure Lolo has forgiven you a long time ago. He loves you very much.
I'm so proud of who you have become. Someone who follows his heart. And I wish I could have done the same. I know what to do. Let's fulfill your Lola's wish, okay? Let's bring him back to Olongapo.
Adik! Welcome back!
Uncle Rolly!
Hindi ka pala nagpasabing darating ka. Hindi tuloy kita nasundo sa airport.
It's okay, Uncle. It's nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too.
Uncle, I'll just call Piolo and Lovi.
Oh, okay. Annabel, kumusta ka?
Pasensya na kung ngayon lang ako nakapagparamdam. Alam mo na, I still feel guilty.
Upo tayo. Alam mo, Annabel, naintindihan naman kita eh. Naintindihan ka namin lahat. Kaya, hindi mo na kailangan magpaliwanag.
Miss na miss ka niya bago siya namatay. Lagi niya nga kayong bukang bibig. Kaya, nung bago siya tuluyang nawala, sinabi niyang gusto niyang mabigay kay Kuya Robin ang kalahati ng kanyang ashes. Malaking parte ng buhay niya si Kuya Robin.
Ibang klase talaga yung pagkakaibigan nila, no? Para silang mag-asawa. Sayang lang nga at hindi nabutan ni Robin. Pero at least, hanggang sa kamatayan, best friend sila.
Selfie!
Sobra, ang talino niya ay makamandag pa sa cobra. Matulas pa sa palo, suabe, walang bokya. Kung ganyan ka kumalaw, anak ka din ng tokwa. Tokwa, siya ay maparaan lang.
Magsabi ka na ng totoo! Kilala mo si Boy Towa!
Hindi mo siya kilala. Madulas pa sa palo, ang kanyang mga disipan. Kulungan, maraming natulungan. Magulang man sa magulang, may bakit din sa pangalan.
Saan yung banyo nyo?
Diyan na.
Dito?
Oo, diyan na.
Sigurado ka?
Oo.
Ano tinitingin-tingin nyo? Ha? Gusto ko mapasma? Sipahin ko yung mga mukha nyo.
Sequence 22, shot 1, take 1.
Ano? Ano yan?
Pinagaya mo ba ako?
Nagaya mo ka?
Eh, balik sa ka! Balik! Balik ka!
Diretso kayo rin sa senda niyo.
namin na may relasyon kayo ni Boy Tokwa. Syota mo siya, no?
Ala, grabe siya oh.
Yari na to.
Aray ko.
We can do lunch.
You eat?
I enjoy eating. How about you?
I'll eat also.
You're very confident.
Because I am what I am.
Wow, a man of many words. How can I resist that?
I have a lot of words. A million of words.
Well, maybe we'll even last until dinner.
Cut!
Sabi ka na ng totoo. Alam namin alam mo kung nasan si Boy Tokwa.
Bingi ka ba? O bungol? Sinabi nang hindi ko alam. At hindi ako kumakain ng tokwa.
God gave me you. O, ang ganda lang. Magbabayad tayo.
Sige, ano nangyari? Ano ba nangyari? Ano? Ayusin mo kasi.
Sakit sa gusto.
Pumunta tayo sa sauna ngayon. Ano gusto? Sauna ng jeep, sauna ng truck.
Okay naman yan, basta may katabi ako sa harap. Sige. Magsabi ka na kasi ng totoo eh. Nasaan si Boy Tokwa? Hindi ko alam. Bakit ikaw? Alam mo? Hindi! Hindi pala.
Ako yun! Boy Tokwa! The one you're looking for.
Suabe, walang bokya. Kung ganyan ka kumalaw, anak ka din ng tokwa.